Morning students. Today we will do back exercise of lesson number 1, Jack and the Beanstalk, from your English literature book. Let's start doing it. The first question is, choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. I have already filled the blanks. Let's start doing it. Jack and his mother lived in an old dash. The answers are given: hut, cottage, castle or palace. As we know, Jack and his mother lived in an cottage, old cottage. Jack's mother asked Jack to sell the dash: hens, beans, cow or pigs. The answer is cow. The old man gave Jack a magic dash: bean, seed, hat or a toy. Answer is bean. D part. When Jack climbed up the beanstalk, he saw a dash there: princess, beggar, castle or mother. Answer is castle. The hen laid dash eggs: golden, silver, plain or diamond. The answer is golden. Now, question number 2. Put a tick if the sentence is correct or a cross if it is wrong. The first is, Jack was a rich boy. This is wrong statement. That's why I have put a cross here. Jack was a poor boy. Jack sold the cow for 1,000 gold coins. Wrong, as he sold the cow for a magic bean. The third one is, the giant gave Jack the harp and the hen. That is wrong statement, as the Jack stole the harp and the hen. D part. Jack cut down the beanstalk with an axe. Yes, this is right. The giant died in the end. Yes, this is right. Question number 3. Match the following. The first one is Jack. Jack climbs up the beanstalk. The second one is Jack's mother. Jack's mother was cooking cauliflower soup. The third one is old man. Old man gave a magic bean. A giant. Giant had a gold coins. Harp. Harp tunes music. These questions will be done in your notebook. Now, the grammar part. Common noun and the proper noun. The special names are called proper noun, and common nouns are common names given to any person, place, animal or thing, like boy, girl, cow, cottage, tree, house and so on are the common nouns. And you must know, the proper noun always begin with a capital letter. Let's start doing the exercise. Question is, underline the common nouns and circle the proper nouns in the following sentences. Akash likes to read books. As Akash is a special name, proper noun, that's why we have to circle it, and books are the common noun. Neeta loves animals. Neeta is a proper noun. Animals, common noun. Little mermaid swam in the sea. Mermaid, proper noun. Sea, common noun. Raju lost his pencil. Raju, proper noun. Pencil, common noun. Nayan goes to school by bus. Nayan, proper noun. School and bus, common noun. Now we will do the next exercise. Find out the hidden words in the following. One has been done for you. The first one is butterfly. Butterfly is made of two words, that are butter and fly. They are compound words. The compound words are made by two different words, and when they are combined, they will make a single word. In the second, Lighthouse, light plus house. Rainbow, rain plus bow. Sunflower, sun plus flower. Strawberry, straw plus berry. Toothbrush, tooth plus brush. Now let's move to the next exercise, speaking skills. When Jack returns from the giant's castle with the riches means money. His mother says, "Oh Jack, I'm so happy. What would you tell a friend who gives you a gift?" Thank you so much. These words show that you are happy. Practice speaking the following with your friend. The first one is, whenever you smell good things, as you can see in the picture, then you say, "It is so nice." Whenever you see such amazing things, you say, "Wonderful." Now the next one is, whenever you get or win prize or score good marks, your teacher says, "Good." And whenever someone gives you a treat of your choice, you say, "Thank you, I like it." Now let's start reading this poem. The giant counts his coins up to 1000. Let's start with this rhyme. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on the right. So, do you like the rhyme? Yes? So, start learning it. Let's move to the next exercise. Did you spot the name of a month in the story, Jack and the Beanstalk? Jack says it is called during this month, and the month was December. Now the names of the months are given here. You have to write in your notebook according to their numbers. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. This way you can write. Now question number 2. Look at the picture and answer the questions given below. As you can see this picture, this is a autumn season when the trees shed their leaves. This is very hot. This is a rainy season when the flowers bloom, and it is a winter season. Which month is very hot? Answer: May and June. During which month does it rain? July and August. Which month is very cold? December and January. When do flowers bloom? February and March. When do leaves fall from trees? October and November. Now the next is, if you were Jack, would you sell the cow for a magic bean? Why? They are asking whether you sell the cow for a magic bean or not. My answer is yes, because I was getting a magic bean in exchange of my cow. And the second question is, was it right of Jack to run away with the giant's hen, harp and gold coins? What would you have done if you were in the castle? क्या जैक सही था जिसने जाइंट के हाफ, हैन एंड गोल्ड कॉइन्स ले लिए थे? और अगर आप होते तो आप क्या करते? I think it was not right of Jack to run away with the giant's hen, harp and the gold coins. If I was there, I did some work for the giant and get money in exchange of my services. I think so. Your answer can be changed. So think and write the answer. Now, given below are pictures of some vegetables. Write the names of the vegetables in the blank provided. As you can see, these are tomatoes. I have written here. These are pumpkins, cauliflower, potatoes, onions, carrots, or you can say sweet potatoes. Now the next question is, the giant counted 1,000 gold coins. What number comes before 1,000? That is 999. That is all in your English literature book lesson number 1 back exercise. Now you have to do the exercise in your book and revise it carefully. Thank you.